In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send crypto from Kraken to another wallet. Sending crypto from Kraken to another wallet is a simple process once you have the receiving wallet address ready. After logging into your Kraken account, go to the funding section and choose Withdraw. From there, select the cryptocurrency you want to send. Each coin has its own network. So it's very important that the wallet you're sending to supports the same network you select on Kraken. For example, if you're sending USDT on Ethereum, both Kraken and the receiving wallet must be set to ERC20. Before you can make the transfer, you'll need to add the new wallet address to Kraken. You do this by clicking Add Withdrawal Address and pasting in the recipient's wallet address. Kraken will usually send you an email or two-factor authentication request to confirm the address for security reasons. Once confirmed, you can select this wallet from your saved addresses whenever you want to withdraw. Next, enter the amount of crypto you want to send and review the withdrawal fee that Kraken applies. This fee varies depending on the coin and the network used. After you've double-checked all the details, confirm the withdrawal. The crypto will then leave Kraken and move to the receiving wallet. The speed of the transfer depends on network traffic, but you'll be able to track the transaction on a blockchain explorer once it's processed. It's always a good idea to start with a small test amount the first time you send to a new wallet, just to make sure the address and network are correct. Once you've confirmed it works, you can go ahead with larger transfers. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching this video.